Hi there, welcome back. It's a beautiful day. The sun is shining. I feel good. So, it's a good day because finally the rain has gone and the sun is out and it's gonna stay a few weeks. So, that's the good part. The bad part, still no fucking Ferrari here. So I'm getting a little bit agitated because I want that thing here and I want to put it back together. So, but meanwhile, we have to figure out a new job to do. So today we're gonna do, this week, we're gonna do two jobs. First, we're gonna clean the fort behind the door. And we're gonna do something with the chairs. Or no, wait, I wanna polish the exhaust. That's what we're gonna do today. And maybe if I have time left, I really can do some other stuff. Let's see what will happen today. So join me and let's get started. La 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 la. So before we start, we need some basic equipment. We need 2 buckets, a basket full of cleaning stuff, a little kit that's going to help, and a garden hose, etc, etc. And of course we need a car. So, but yeah, nice that we have the car. But this first part is the boring part. So I'm gonna throw the phone away and then you can magically, wow, see that we are finished. So, and well, so here we are. She's clean. Just have a look. Shiny, shiny, shiny. Whoop, 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 whoop. As I said, 2 buckets, clean bucket, dirty bucket. And now we are going to touch her up. First, paint correction, because we got some chips like this, and there, and there. And I see I didn't clean that properly, so I have to do something about it. And here's an annoying one. So touch that one up. Then we're gonna polish the sides. Doesn't show on the video, but these are scratched. So we're gonna finally try the polishing machine. And well, here we are. Yes. And as you saw, the kids were just there, and now they're over there going to the playground. So let's have a touch up. Yeah. Yes. So sorry, guys. I was just so working on the car that I did film the touch up, and in 5 minutes I'm gonna do the transparent layer that's going on top of it. But meanwhile, I've already polished the sides of the car with my new polish machine. There it is, that one. And well, that side went. Gonna do it right. That side went perfectly because there was shade, etc. And it's amazing. I was doing this with a smile on my face, so I forgot to film it. But when I'm gonna do a special with it on the front bumper very soon. But when you do this, all the scratches seem to disappear. Just have a look. I'll turn you around, show you how amazing. I hope you can see it. It's just like a mirror. And also this one. Wow. But the other side was a little bit more difficult because when you see it like this, the front was okay, but the back, there was the sun on it, so this area, oh, it's a little bit too hot. to do this, so I should move the car in. I'm gonna switch. Next time I do it, I'll put the car in the garage and it will be much easier. But for now, I'm pretty happy with the result. I'm not gonna do the interior today, so I've had about enough. I'm just gonna finish it off with some, how do you call this? Angel wax. I use the Corona. And it's been leaking, but that's the finish to get all the scratches out of the car. Short coating, and look at my hand. And after that, I'm gonna polish the exhaust, and then we call it a day. So let's continue working, and I'm gonna show you that I'm working, because I don't think I have filmed anything yet. But first I'm gonna clean my hands. So I'm professional this. So let's get back to work. The finishing touch, of course. You have to look like it's from the showroom. Now that was a waste of my time. The tires are going to be replaced in 2 days from now. Oh, quite hard to film this. I'm gonna do this differently. I'll put you here. Ta-da! As you can see, I didn't clean the tire, the rims, because I'm gonna have to touch them up. La da 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 da. Well, where's the button? Where's the button? I can't find the button to turn you around, so I have to gamble. You see me? Now you do. Well, that was a little bit of a mess. Intentions are good. So we're gonna clean this all up. I'm gonna get my kids an ice cream, and then we're gonna start polishing the exhaust of the Ferrari and see what else we can do today. Well, here we go, working on the exhaust. Here it is, a shiny little thing, but not so shiny if you take a closer look, especially the tips. This one I already did a few years ago, so we're gonna redo it. What we need is a polishing thingy, polishing stone. That one broke. Just did it wrong. That one is for this one, and this one is for that one. So we're gonna start polishing. You know what? Although she is shining, I am not really happy with the result because I realize I got a lot to learn. But it is shiny on both sides. As I said, it is shiny on both sides, both sides. But I'm just not happy. I forgot how the pads work, which one belongs to which one. Like this one, I believe this one belonged to the blue one, and then you do that after the brown one with this one. But maybe I'm just wrong. I don't know. I'm going to figure that out and gonna do that one again. Why not? So, what do you think of my new ride? Yeah, it's not new. No, the car is at the shop, the Ford. So this is my bicycle I got. So we have no car at this moment. Sad. So, but okay, never mind. We tried, we cleaned, we did some new things. I think we never done before. Or maybe I do, but I forgot. That doesn't matter. It was a busy day. 2 days, who cares? The car is gone. That's going to give me another kick from my stomach. And maybe fresh tires, new brakes, etc, etc. Maybe someday we will have some money to invest a little bit in the Ford, because I want it lowered. I want a big pipe on it. I want to do a lot of stuff, but I can't. And I want a Ferrari back here. Yes. Okay, with that bombshell, I'm gonna thank you for watching, and I'm gonna say goodbye because it's too damn hot and I'm gonna eat ice cream again. Goodbye.